Alright, how's it going? So, in this video, I know this is interrupting your flow of things, and please excuse the background. It's about 1:30 in the morning, and I thought I just had to record this video because I know it's a continuation of the first part because this is something that I forgot to mention, but I know that it'll help you guys out. Okay, so another mindset shift that I want to come across to you guys is the point of the sales process is basically turning your cold leads into hot leads. And let's define some terms here. Cold leads is somebody that doesn't know you, doesn't trust you, doesn't like you, right? And a hot lead is somebody that's ready to buy on any tip of the hat, and because they know you, trust you, love you, or they're coming from a referral. So anything that you tell them, you just push them off, and they're gonna buy. And also, this is another thing that I want you to come across. Okay, come across to you. You want to be able to have them buy your services instead of you selling them your services. There's a small subtle difference there, because the one aspect is that you're actually just trying to solve their problem, so they go ahead and buy. The other problem is that you're trying to convince them, right? So it's a very different and subtle mentality there, but it helps you close deals a lot better because you're not coming from a place of scarcity, right? You're coming from a place of authority, and you're just basically just helping them out. I'll tell you this one story also, where there's this really famous Wall Street person that sells sells stocks to people over the phone, and he's been legendary about this. There's a movie about him. I forget his name, but he has this thing where he gives you a pen, and he asks you to sell him the pen, just to test how good of a salesman you are. Most people would say, hey, yeah, this pen, it writes really well, and it's reliable. They try to sell the pen, right? And the proper way of doing it is actually, you put the pen on your pocket, and you ask your prospect, saying, so, hey, how are you doing? What brings you in today? So the idea here is that you meet them where they're at, right? You meet the customers where they're at, what their pain point is, whatever they're dealing with, and you connect that to whatever you're providing. If they don't actually need the pen, don't sell them the pen. It's that simple. But the idea, like I said, is to find the common ground, hold their hand, and walk them to your solution. That's the idea here. And hopefully this is making sense, because I hope it helps you sell a little bit better, because a different mentality when it comes to sales, because I know a lot of people have a really bad taste in their mouth of that, like, used car salesman guy, and yeah, anyway, I'm not even going to go to that, but the idea here is you're providing value, you're their ally, and you're standing with them on the same side of the table, not against them, right? You're not selling them, you're just telling them about the features that they're going to get, you're going to ask them and know where they're coming from first, and then you can tell them about the things that would help them out when it comes to your service. Alright, hopefully this is making sense, and hopefully it's not too long with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye.